All right, guys, I am tired of this BS. This gas can's not even a year old, and I got another one that looks exactly like it. And I'm tired of it. So we're gonna fix this today. We bought a kit from Amazon. Let's see if it works. I mean, I imagine it will. I don't see why it wouldn't work. It's gonna work better than this, because this stupid safety can stuff. I mean, when I can get a better product from Zulu, I don't even know what that is. It's at least got a vent, you know, and it's not gonna blow up when it's sitting in the shade. That literally happened while that was sitting in the shade. What is this? It's garbage. It's going in the trash can. We're getting rid of it. We got this kit, gas can spout replacement kit. Comes with a drill bit. I don't know whether or not it's a good drill bit or not. I don't know. But it is a 5/16 drill bit. So, and this kit comes with, let me see, I kind of already played with one of them. So it comes with a bunch of these little caps, nozzles, and then comes with, what is it, like 10 of the caps. There's a small thread. I don't know if you can see that in there. And then there's a big thread cap. That's got like 3 threads. This one's got like 5 per inch. The big threads, obviously, you can kind of look at your gas can. You don't even have to look at the inside of the thread and be like, okay, that's big thread. So we need that. We need that. We need that. I haven't broke into these yet, but I'll just move this out of the way here. A little groggy at the moment, there, folks. So, all right, there we go. There it is. I don't know what these are, because these don't fit here. So these are like mystery caps. This is just like some extra crap they had to throw in there for some reason, I imagine. But this should just pop right in there. So we're gonna check this out real quick. And it'll let this breathe. Where's the best place for this? Where am I not gonna spill? One right here. See if I can get you on it. Of course, we're gonna get some plastic inside of it, but I have a filter in here, so we'll filter that out eventually. And let's see here. Done. That just pops on and off. We're about to see if we get interrupted or not. Pardon the interruption, folks. Get back to screwing this on here. Get back to screwing. Alright. Alright. Hey. And your little cap, you just screw it on. Now, the problem with, let me grab this out of the trash can, with this style is this builds pressure no matter what. You know, evaporation occurs. If this builds pressure, that's going to pop off and we're going to release pressure, and you're not going to have this, you know, gaseous bomb sitting in the back of your truck going somewhere. But that's it. Hey, we're ready to go fill up. We're tired of the system and garbage gas can spouts, so we went out and we fixed it. Here it is. If you want to go pick one of these up, they're on Amazon. I think I picked this up at like a sale. It's like 12 bucks, 15 bucks. And it's five replacement. And then you've got the 5 caps, whatever. Different size thread caps. But that's a good deal. And then now I can keep this and use it instead of just going, oh, I guess I gotta go buy a new gas can now. Because that's happened. But we're done with those. Never again. This is easy. You've seen how easy that was. This is the hardest part, and it's finding your drill. That's the hardest part. So, thanks for watching, guys. We're going to go fill up some 50-to-1 here and fire up some chainsaws. We got one that's giving us problems. But we'll see you on the next one. Get rid of your garbage and go with that. It's this simple.